Hi there. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a back loop single crochet. So normally when you're doing a single crochet in your stitch, you would put it right through the entire stitch. When you look on top, you see the shape of the stitch there. When you're doing a back loop single crochet, you're going to go over the stitch and push your hook just through that back loop there. Move that out of the way. Right in the back loop. You're going to yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. Just like any regular single crochet. The only difference is instead of going through the entire stitch how you normally would, you're going to go over the stitch and just go into that back loop. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both. I'll do it again with you. Into the back loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both. And this is how you do a back loop single crochet. Please make sure that you have a look at the links in the description below. There are some other helpful resources there and lots more stitch tutorials for you.